Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a tweet on the twitter.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. But now you should open the website on your device, and after that go to your home page in the upper left corner of the screen and go to the For You section. After that you should type in your tweet, and then you can schedule it by tapping on this calendar button below, and then you should select the date. So first of all the month, then the day, a year, and then the time, including the hour and the minute. After that you should click on the confirm button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then it will be scheduled if you tap on the schedule button, meaning that your tweet that you have just typed in will be posted on the exact date that you have set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.